Alright, so we're going to start looking at how to create our amusement park. Alright, so you guys have in front of you this little checklist. You need 3 to 5 rides, 2 washrooms, 1 water ride, which can be a slide, a main entrance, a restaurant, and a seating area. Once you've designed your park, you're going to have to tell me on a separate piece of paper the area and perimeter in each item of your park. The grade 4s are going to have to show me the formulas for the perimeter and the formula for the area. So what I've done on the sheet, I have just given you examples of what my food court area might look like. So I've got Parker's Pizza here, and then I made the area 6 centimeters squared, and then I did my formula for the perimeter. Because it's a triangle, I've got S plus S plus S, 3 plus 3 plus 2, so my perimeter is 8 centimeters. And I did that for the water slide as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start designing it on here, just to give you guys an example of what it might look like. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a ride. Now I'm not going to draw the actual ride, I'm going to draw the area that the ride takes up. So maybe my ride goes from here, down here, and then my ride goes along here. Again, I'm using a ruler. And maybe I'm going to make my ride a little different shape, because maybe this is where they line up for the ride in this area here. And maybe that's my ride right here. So this is maybe called the Skyrider. Alright, so there's the first ride that I've done. Maybe right beside it, though, I want to do one of my washrooms. So I'm going to do a washroom that just looks like this here. So there's my washroom. WR for washroom. Okay. So now, on a separate piece of paper, you guys would have to write the area and perimeter of these. So I'm going to do the Skyrider first. And maybe I'm going to set up a table. So this is going to be my area, and this is going to be my perimeter. So now, we'll set up my table. So the area first. Let's do the area of the Skyrider. So we're just going to count our boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the area of the Skyrider is 18 centimeters, and we have to remember that it's squared. Now the perimeter, we're going to count around the outside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's important to remember that we count both sides on the corners. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. My perimeter is 22 centimeters. So I draw my line there. Now, what if you want to challenge yourself like the grade 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to do the formula for the perimeter. Who can tell me what the formula for the perimeter of my washroom would be? What would the perimeter for my washroom be? Nuria? Excellent. Nuria realizes 4 sides. So this is a 1 here. That means this is also a 1. This is 5 here. And this is also 5. So my S has become 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5. I saw some people still putting S's in here. Remember, you change the S's into the numbers, and that becomes 12 centimeters. Okay? So that is how you start designing your park.